Так, hold on. Cool. Cool. All right, guys. So, all right, Misha, you can start recording if you want to. So let's start with a slideshow, and let's start with all the questions we had in previous courses. So if you guys seen my videos or if you taken a course before, please join this test. And if you never seen these classes before, we're just gonna take it slow and go sentence by sentence. All right. You guys can see slideshow, right? Yes. Maybe.
Yes, I can.
Awesome. Thank you very much. All right. So over here, you see a sentence in Russian, and it also has transcription in Latin letters. So if, for example, you do not know how to read Russian, you can just look at the Latin letters. And for this test, I need at least 1 or 2 volunteers who can translate it for me to English. Who wants to try to translate these Russian sentences to English? Who wants to do it? All right, cool. Can you, all right, let's do this. Can you write agent 1 in a chat? So let's see. Why can I not see chat? I do not know. Okay, here it is. Cool. All right. So who wants to do the translation? If you want to do translation, can you write agent 1 in the chat? Okay. All right. Anyone who can participate, who can help me out with this test, guys? Let's see. You know what, Boris? How about you? Do you want to go through this test? I'm pretty sure you can do it.
Okay, but
All right. Awesome.
I beginner.
You are fine. I will help you. Okay. If anything,
Okay.
I will help you. And
Mhm.
you know what? Так, Free Palestine, can you do it as well? Can you be agent 2? Can you be a second participant? Okay. Nope. Yep. Not. Okay. All right. If anyone joins, that would be awesome. If
I
not, it's
think
okay.
most of them I don't know.
Cool.
So
Awesome.
I'm
You're
willing
going to
to
be
try.
agent. Let's do this. So, Boris, you're going to be agent 1, and Free Palestine, you're going to be agent 2. So, when I say agent 1, you translate the sentence. If I say agent 2, you will translate the sentence, all right? Okay, agent 1. Где ты живешь? What do you think it means in Russian?
It's where you live.
Excellent. Я живу в Неваде. Nevada is a state in America. This course is United States based, so there's a bunch of places in United States. So if you guys see a weird word, it is probably a state in United States. So agent number 2. Я живу в Неваде. Free Palestine, you're going to be agent 2. How would you translate «Я живу в Неваде»?
I live in Nevada.
Nice, thank you very much. Agent number 1. Где ты работаешь?
Where you your work.
Where
English
do
is
you
better.
work? Where do you
Yes.
work?
Thank you.
Я работаю в банке, agent 2.
I work at a bank.
Excellent. Кем ты работаешь, agent 1?
Mm, what's your job? I think.
Yeah, it's like a who do you work as? This construction does not exist in English, but in Russian it's very common. So it's who do you work as? кем ты работаешь? Alright. Agent 2. Я работаю доктором.
I work as a doctor.
Excellent. С кем ты живешь? Agent number 1. Number 1. Oh, с кем is with whom? Like with whom?
Who you live?
Yep. Who do you live with? So, do you live with your brother, sister, your parents, your spouse? So that's the question. All right. Agent number 2. Я живу с братом и сестрой. Я живу с братом и сестрой. Agent 2. What do you think it is in Russian?
Yeah, I live with my sister, but I don't know what's bratом means.
Братом is with brother. So I live with brother and sister.
Братом, брат. Yeah, okay.
So both of them,
live
they're in
with my sister.
instrumental case. So brother by itself is brat and sister is sestra. But if you're living with them, you would have to say с братом and с сестрой. That's why. Next one is кем ты работал? Кем ты работал, Agent 1? Кем ты работал? What do you think it means? Кем is as whom? It's kind of like yes.
I don't know how to say in English, but because my English is bad too. But
Can you say it in Spanish? Well, shoot, in Portuguese. I think it's
I think is para quem você trabalha?
It's like кем ты работаешь? Yes, like who do you work as? And in English they would say like what's your job or like what's your profession? But in Russian we would say who do you work as? Who did you work as? Кем ты работал? Alright. Очень хорошо. Very good. Я работал адвокатом. Agent 2.
Yes, but I don't know.
It's I worked as a lawyer. Я работал адвокатом is I worked as a lawyer. All right. Okay, for Agent 1, кем ты работала? What do you think that sentence mean?
I think it's the same thing, the 9, but it's femoral, I think.
Yep, exactly. So who did you work as? And you ask this question to a girl. Very nice. Now 12. Я работала медсестрой. What do you think it means? Agent 2?
Sorry. Nurse.
Yes, exactly. I worked as a nurse. All right, next one. Кем он работает? Agent 1.
Quem ele trabalha?
Yeah. So who he works as
Yes.
right now? Who's he working as right now?
Always he, right?
Yeah. So for example, if you're asking about your friend, you're like, "Oh, Boris or Ivan, who he works as?" And you'll say, "Oh, he works as a doctor." So that's what that sentence is. Agent 2. Он работает профессором. Yep, he works as a professor. And for 15, кем она работает, Agent 1?
Let me think. It's the same thing, but is from her.
Yep,
Her.
yep. So it's like who she is working as. Кем она работает. Alright. And next one is она работает дантистом. Она работает дантистом. Agent 2.
She works as a dentist.
Nice. Yes, she works as a dentist. Very good. 17. Кем работает твой брат? Кем работает твой брат?
Брат.
Кем работает твой брат? What do you guys think it is in Russian?
Anna, are you recording right now?
I
I
think
think so.
I,
I'm hoping so.
I just know to say in Portuguese. Sorry.
No worries.
Is your brother working?
Yeah, it's
which
like
is your
it's like who your brother works as.
yeah.
Uh,
Yes.
Cool. All right, I'm gonna go through all of them just really quick till the end. So, кем работает твоя подруга is who your friend works as, who your female friend works as. Then, мой брат работает механиком is my brother works as a mechanic. And the last one is моя подруга работает тренером. My friend works as a trainer. And this is pretty much it for the previous class. All right. And I was wondering, I don't know what level you guys are, but I want to do an audio test really quick. So over here in the slideshow, you can actually see the whole thing. So it's like, hi, I'm Boris. I lived here. I didn't work. So you will hear this in Russian. And I was wondering if you guys can write it down on a piece of paper in English or in your language or in Russian, wherever your level is. Do you think you can handle a text like this, or it's going to be, hold on, I'll just show you how it looks like. So it was like, I was in university, I worked, now I live, and now I work. Do you guys think that you can do this text, or it's going to be too hard for you? How are you guys feeling? Can you write me in a chat? Because it's going to be about like 5 minutes. If you want to do like an audio exercise, listen to it and then write it down. Okay, cool. So Boris can do it. The rest of you guys, do you think you can do it? If not, just listen to it and kind of like let it sink in, and then we are going to check it together. All right. And then after that, we're going to finally start on numbers, and we're going to learn numbers from 0 to 100. All right, so let's do this exercise really quick. I am going to press play. Can you guys still see the screen? So if I do this, it will start an audio. So you guys grab a piece of paper and a pen, and actually, I think the first time you will just listen. The first time you listen to the audio, you just listen to it. Thank you. The first one, you listen to it, and then the second time you start writing it down. So the first round, just write numbers of sentences there is in the audio, okay? And I'm gonna do it with you, and then I will show you how many numbers I got in that audio, and you will show me how many you got, okay? So we're just gonna count sentences for the first round, all right? Let's do this really quick. So it goes like this. And let's go. Привет, я Борис. Сначала я жил в Аризоне. Я не работал. Я был в школе. Я жил с мамой, папой и братом. Потом я жил в Техасе. Я был в колледже. Я работал в магазине. Я был кассиром. Я жил в квартире. Я жил с соседом. Потом я жил во Флориде. Я был в университете. Я работал в больнице. Я работал ассистентом. Я жил в квартире. Я жил с девушкой Светой. Сейчас я живу в Колорадо. Я работаю в школе. Я работаю учителем. Я живу в доме. Я живу с женой Ниной, дочкой Леной и котом Барсиком. Okay, so I got 22 sentences. How many did you guys get? And also, was it hard? Did you understand everything? Did you understand like some of it, or how did it go? Four. Right. We did not write it down. So did you guys, how many sentences did you count?
I'm just new here, so I didn't get anything, but I will try to for understanding, and I love Russia.
Okay.
Thank you. I know. Хорошо. Привет, как дела?
Mhm.
I'm learning myself. Thank you
All
for
right.
your listening.
Okay, guys. So if you, let's see, I think it was a good warm up. So now let's do this. Let's go to the numbers. And you guys, if you did not learn numbers before, today is the day to do it. So I'm going to go back to presentation and let's go over here. Can you guys all see my slideshow?
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. So what I have for this class is a picture sound association. Usually is the quickest way to learn new materials. So over here I have pictures which will make sense in English. So if English your first language, you're in luck. For all other languages, you guys will have to come up with your own mnemonic devices because it's not going to work. So I will do my best to explain it in English, and then if you speak other language, just use the same method and come up with your own mnemonic devices, okay? So if you want to say number 0, okay, if you want to say number 0, it sounds like
Zero.
this picture. So it's no and L. All right, I can write it in the chat. So the 0 kind of sounds like no and L. And if you say it together fast enough, it's going to be nol. Nol. So 0 is going to be nol. If you want to say it out loud, you can do it. So you can say nol. Nol.
No.
Nol. Very good. Now, next number is like +1. So if you are doing math in English, you will be adding one number to another. And in Russian, 1 sounds like adding. And if you say it fast, it's going to be один. So I'm going to write it in the chat. 1 sounds like adding. You're adding something to something. And if you say it fast enough, it would be один. Один. All right. So we have ноль and один. Let's say it together. Ноль, ноль,
Ноль.
ноль, and один.
and один.
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 Ноль. Один.
Ноль. Один.
Один. Ноль.
Один.
Один.
Ноль. Один.
Awesome.
Ноль.
Okay.
Один.
Now, next number. This guy over here, is a dwarf in English. So again, if you have a word in your language which sounds closer to the sound dv, look for it and replace this dwarf with that. But for English speakers, that is a mnemonic device for 2. So number 2 sounds like dva. So you try to say dwarf and then you change the sound to dva. 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 Okay. So now you have
Dva.
nol. Okay. Nol.
Ноль.
And then
Nol.
один.
Один. Один.
Два.
Два. Два.
Ноль. Один.
Один.
Два. Very good.
Два.
All right.
Ноль.
Okay.
Один. Два.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Now,
Awesome.
this plant over here, what is this plant in English? How do you call this in English?
Three.
It's a tree. Tree. Like an actual, like a tree, like a plant. Tree. So it's not 3, it's 3. And in Russian, number 3 sounds like a plant, like a tree. So the sound would be
Tree.
like this. Tree. Okay. And then you have ноль. You have ноль, один,
Ноль.
два,
Один.
3.
Два. Три.
Mhm.
Ноль. Один. Два. Три.
Nice. Now
Three.
I'm going to show you a number and I will say что это, and you would say это and the number, okay? So if I do this, and I will say что это, what would you say? Что это? Что это?
Ноль.
Nice. And что это?
Три.
Да, и что это?
Один.
Нет, это. The yellow bubble.
Yellow number is один.
No.
Right?
2, хорошо. That's 2. Что это?
Что это?
Do you see my screen or no?
Один. Sorry.
Один.
Один. Один.
Yep. Что это?
Три. Три.
3, хорошо. Что это?
Два.
Что
Два.
это?
Но.
Ага. Что это?
Ноль. Три.
Ага. И что это?
Один.
И что это?
Два.
Nice. Cool. All right. Now next
Three.
number over here. Over here again, it's good for English. If you know English, it's nice. If not, you have to come up with your own mnemonic device for this. But number 4 in Russian is, it sounds like cheetah. You know that animal? Cheetah and eerie. Eerie. And eerie, it's like creepy in English. So that's a mnemonic device for that picture. And if you are saying it in Russian fast, it will sound like this. It would be cheat iri. Cheat iri.
Один. Два.
So
Один. Два.
over here. So it will look like this. Cheat iri. And if you look at the picture, so how do you say this one again? Cheat iri. Nice.
Четыре.
So how do you say this?
Четыре.
And this one?
Два.
And this?
Два. 4.
And this one?
3.
And this one?
Sorry, I don't know what they built. I can say
Remember, it
arrow
was like
is
no, and L. Ноль.
yeah, arrow.
Oops.
Where? Nor.
No,
Nor.
never mind. Like this, yes, you're right. Ноль. И что
Ноль.
это? What is
1,
this? 1, и это?
2,
I'm gonna move. Okay. Yep.
2,
Ага, and это?
3,
Ага, and это?
4.
Very good. Very good. Now, let's go to the next one. So number 5, you see that lady, she's petting that cheetah. So for five in Russian sounds kind of like if you're petting something, like pet. It sounds like a pet.
Yes.
And if you're saying it fast, it's пять.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's look at the
Yeah.
numbers again. Пять. And okay. Let's see. I'm going to use black arrow. So что это?
5.
Ага, что это? 2. Что это?
3.
Что это?
4.
Что это?
0.
0. Что это?
2.
Что это?
1.
Что это?
4.
Что это?
5.
Что это?
3.
3. Что это?
2.
Что это?
1.
Что это?
0.
Nice. Okay, the next one. This is a box. This box is a chest, and the lock looks like number 6. Шесть. So it sounds like a chest. Шесть. Chest, like the box. All right, and if you pronounce it fast, it would be шесть. 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 So let's say it.
Yes.
Let's look at this one. Шесть. Okay.
Як
So
мені
this one. Шесть.
Chest.
Шесть. Мгм.
Chest.
And
Chest.
шесть. И что это?
5.
5. И что это?
4.
Что это?
3.
Ага. Что это?
2.
Что это?
1.
Что это?
0.
Что это?
Четыре.
Что это? Что это?
5.
Что это?
6.
Nice. Okay, next one this is number 7, and this is
Seven.
sight. And sight makes everything the same. All right. So it cuts the grass and it makes all of it the same. So the English word, which is similar to Russian number 7, is same. And if you say it fast enough, it would be семь. Семь. Семь is a 7 in Russian. Семь. Same. All right.
Здравствуйте, преподаватель.
All right. So now let's go and practice семь. Семь. Okay, so I will
Семь.
tell you the number 7, and you say it with me. 7,
Семь.
7,
Семь.
7,
Семь.
7.
Yeah.
Nice.
Семь.
Okay, let's say them all from the beginning. Что это?
Ноль.
Что это?
Один.
Да.
Один.
Что это?
Два.
Что это?
Три.
Да.
Три.
Четыре.
Четыре.
Пять.
Yeah, go in order. Что это?
Пять.
Мгм. Что это?
Шесть. Шесть.
Что это?
7,
Okay, now I'm
7.
gonna use a
8,
different.
9, 10.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you a number randomly and tell me what that number is. Что это?
1,
Ноль. Один. Sorry.
Что это?
7,
Что это?
Семь.
0,
Мгм. Что это?
5, 6,
Мгм.
Шесть.
8, 3,
Три.
Что это?
4, 4,
Ага. Что это?
5,
Что это?
Пять.
2,
Два.
Мгм. Что это?
3, 3,
Три.
Very good. Okay, I'm gonna go the last 3 numbers, and then I'm gonna give you a math problem in Russian. Okay, we're going to count in Russian. So let's go to this one really quick. So this is number 8, and this is a note. And mnemonic association for this number is like a voice. You know, your voice. You have a voice, and you're voicing your thoughts. You are saying something. You're voicing your thoughts. And the number 8 in Russian is
8.
8. 8. All right. So hold on, let me write it in the chat. So 8 will sound like your voice, and 8. It's will be, if you say it fast, you would say 8. 8. So you have 8. All right.
Yeah,
Now let's say
voice.
8 together really quick. 8.
Voice.
8.
Voice.
8.
Voice.
Nice. Very.
Voice.
So how do you say this number? Что это?
6,
Это 6. И что это?
7,
Это 7. И что это?
8,
Это
Восемь.
8. И что это?
4,
Это 4.
Четыре.
Very good. Now,
Четыре.
next number. This is 9. And over here we have a grass. An English word for this 9, to have a sound association, it is you have a friend David, and he made a David. Okay, you have David made a David. I think that's how it goes, like this. And the sound for 9 is David. David. So it's like between David and David. So David. Let's say it together. So David. David.
David.
David.
David.
David. David. Nice.
David.
Okay. Next one is 10. So 10 in English mnemonic device for that number is that this shark is trying to deceive you. Okay, and it's a deceit. Deceit is like if somebody steals your money, they don't steal it in 2s or 3s or 4s. They steal it in 10th. Okay, so 10 sounds like deceit. Deceit.
10,
And if you pronounce it fast, it's 10.
10.
It's just a bit soft. Yeah, 10. 10. All right. Now, nice. Okay, now let's go and say this number. 10. 10. Hello, hello. 10. Okay. So, if you want to go and say all of them together, you would have 0, 1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
9,
10.
10. All right. Now, let's check random numbers. Что это?
0,
Что что это?
7,
Что это?
3,
Что это?
10,
Что это?
2,
Что это?
10,
Что это?
2,
Что это?
8,
Что это?
9.
Nice. Okay, now let's do equation. So if you want to say what is the answer for the equation, like how much will be, you would say сколько будет. And you would use it in the future for how much something cost, or what time is it now, or how long you've been living in a certain...
Сколько времени?
Сколько время, yes. Сколько стоит, сколько время, сколько лет,
Сколько лет? Сколько...
сколько раз. Very useful word сколько. So now my question is, сколько будет 2 плюс 2? And if you want to answer it, you would say 2 плюс
Равно.
будет 4. Равно,
Равно 4.
yeah, but you would not use it in like day-to-day speech. You would not use it. Будет is anyways, in this exercise we're gonna do будет, because будет is will be. You can use it for other things in the future. Like you can say, у меня будет машина. I will have a car. So будет is like super useful. And we use будет in like conversational Russian. If you're not in school, you would just use будет. So, first question, сколько будет 2 плюс 2? Could you tell me?
Равно 4.
Yeah. You go 2 плюс 2 будет 4.
Будет 4.
Nice. Сколько будет 2 плюс 3?
Равно 5.
No, say the whole thing. Like 2 плюс 3 будет...
Будет 5.
Thanks. Сколько будет 3 плюс 3?
Будет 6.
You go 3 плюс 3 будет 6.
Да, 3 плюс 3 будет 6.
Сколько будет...
В математику мы говорим равно.
Yeah, but this one we're gonna just do будет. 3 плюс 1. Сколько будет 3 плюс 1? Sorry, 3 плюс 1.
4. Будет 4.
4. Окей.
30.
Сколько будет 3 плюс 4?
Будет 7.
Can you do the whole
7.
sentence? Can you say like 3 плюс 4 будет 7, if you can?
Все, хорошо.
Alright. Сколько будет 5 плюс 2?
5 плюс 2 будет
7. Thank you. Сколько будет 1 плюс 6? Who wants to answer?
Ну давай, брат.
You guys want to take turns? Hold on, let me look at the chat. I don't see you guys. All right, let's
1
see.
плюс 6 будет 7.
Cool. You know what STA and I guess Mac? I think that's 2 of you guys, right? Can you do, let's do Mac, you're going to be agent 1, and STA, you're going to be agent 2, and you guys will take turns. So Mac, you will go first, and then STA, you would go second, and then you guys go 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? All right, let's do it. Okay, agent 1, сколько будет 7 плюс 1? 7 плюс 1 будет 8. But can you say the whole equation? Can you say 7 плюс 1 будет 8?
7 плюс 1. 8.
Будет
Then
8.
plus
Будет.
was it person? I don't
Nice.
know what was
Yeah. Agent number 2. Сколько будет 4 плюс 4?
Будет
plus
8.
4.
Okay, do the whole equation. Say 4 plus 4. Because people who are listening, it would be a good practice for them to listen how you read it. If you could do it.
4 плюс 4 будет 8.
Спасибо. Сколько будет 7 плюс 2?
Сколько plus
You go 7 плюс...
plus 2
Мгм.
2
Будет?
z
Мгм.
is 9.
9. Окей, хорошо. Сколько будет 9 плюс 1?
9 плюс 1 будет 10.
Nice. Thank you very much. Okay, now the next one. So, can you guys do a dialogue? All right. So, you would be asking each other questions. So, you would say, Нина, сколько будет 2 плюс 2? And I guess Nina is going to answer 2 плюс 2 будет 4. And let's see, I'm assuming as TA you know numbers pretty well, right?
Да, и я учить русский, я живу в России сейчас.
Okay,
У меня экзамены после 1 месяца, я учить в политехническом университете в
okay,
Санкт-Петербурге.
cool. All right, so you're going to be asking questions, all right? And someone else will be doing answers. But when you do question, can you do it very, very slowly? And can you pronounce every number? So because a person is going to repeat after you. And let's do, Mac, you're going to be answering the question. You guys, is it good? Mac, you think you can do it? Yep. You can do the STA, he's going to do questions, and Mac, you're going to do answers, all right?
Хорошо.
Mac, you on board with us?
Uh,
You can do it?
Sorry, I don't know. Let's see.
Okay.
2 plus 2
Cool. Okay. If you are okay, then we're going to do this. STA, he's going to ask a question, and you're going to answer it, okay?
Окей. Как тебя зовут?
No, it's, I mean with numbers.
Только numbers. Окей,
Yeah, it's
всё
going to be
хорошо.
very easy. So, STA, you would be like, Nina, сколько будет 2 плюс 2? And then the Mac, you will answer 2 будет 4. Okay? Let's do it.
Нина, сколько будет 2 плюс 2? Нина?
So you would just
Answer.
you would just say like 2 плюс 2 будет 4 for Mac. So you would say 2 плюс 2 будет 4.
2 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus
4.
2 plus 2 4.
Nice. Awesome. All right, let's do next one for Vika. The same thing, question and then answer.
Вика, пожалуйста, 2 плюс 3 будет
Go.
что?
You go, сколько будет? So you would do
Сколько
2 плюс 3.
будет?
Mhm.
2 plus 3.
Okay, and the answer is
2 плюс 3 будет 5.
okay. Oh, so you guys switched back. All right. So the next question is going to be for Stas. So again, you're going to ask the question. STA, you're going to ask a question, and Mac is going to answer the question. All right. Let's do it.
Мак, сколько будет 3 плюс 3?
Мгм.
Three plus
Мгм.
three. Chest. Chest.
Мгм. 3 плюс 3 будет 6. Очень хорошо.
Ah, I
Будет.
sometimes forgot buzet. Buzet.
Будет.
Okay, so
And over here there's
3 plus 3 buzet. 3 plus 3 plus 3 buzet. Chest.
cool. All right, let's do next one for Nikolai. Nikolai, again, STA, you're going to ask the question.
Сколько будет 1 плюс 6?
Plus chest buzet. Shame.
Nice. Good job, guys. Andrei, for Andrei.
Сколько будет 7 плюс 2?
10 plus 2 buzet. Babies.
Хорошо. Сколько будет... Окей, one for Татьяна.
Сколько будет 5 плюс 4?
5 plus 5 plus chest.
5 плюс 4.
4. 4
Мгм.
plus
Да-да.
5 plus 4 buzet. Buzet.
9. Very nice. Next one, Борис.
Борис, пожалуйста, сколько будет 0 плюс 8?
Мгм. 0 плюс 8.
0 plus 8 buzet. 8.
And the last one, Vlad.
Влад, сколько будет 9 плюс 1?
9 plus buzet is
Nice. Very good. All right, guys. So now we're going to go to the teens. All right. So if you want to make a teen in Russian, all right, it is relatively easy to do. So in Russian language, you would say 1 over 10 if you want to do it in, if you want to create a teen. So you would say 1, okay, like from our mnemonic devices, and then na is over in Russian. So na, it's nad, okay, but or it's used as over or above, and tsat is 10, okay, so 1 over 10, 1 nat tsat. All right, I'm going to skip 12 because 12 is weird, but how do you think you can build 13? How would 13 look like?
that.
Mhm. So it's going to be 3 na tsat. So 3 na tsat, 13. 3 na tsat. Okay, how do you guys say 14?
3 that. 3 that.
How do you guys think you can say 14?
That's
4 на
14.
14. So if you want to do 14,
13,
it will,
15, 18, 17,
so it
19,
will sound 13, then 14. Okay. And if you want to do like 15, it will be 5 over 10. So how do you guys do it?
15.
15. And if you want to do 6 over 10,
17.
how
16.
16.
16. Yes, 16. And how do you do 7 over 10?
17.
17. Yes. And how do you say 8 over 10?
18.
18.
18. Yes.
80.
18. It has to be 18. 18.
18.
18. 18. Yeah. And then it's 9 over 10. How do you guys do it?
19.
19. Very good. Okay, let's say them all together. Let me do the...
Анна, у тебя там ошибка 14.
Thank you. 14. All right.
Красивые преподаватели.
All right. Let's look at this one. So you go 11. How do you say it?
19.
Yes. How do you say 13?
13.
Yes. 14?
14.
15?
16.
That's
Okay.
16.
Sorry, 16, 16. 17.
17.
18.
18.
18.
And 19.
19.
19. Very good. Okay, now the problem with 12. The problem with 12 is that it doesn't follow that rule. It's not 12. Why? Because it sounds super close to 20, which is 20. So if you want to do 12, it's actually 12. It's 12. So it doesn't sound like 2, it sounds like 2. So over here I have it. So it's not 12, it's 12.
Да,
Okay?
это проблема в 20 и 12 и 90.
It's hard. So
Mm.
over
Problem.
here, let's do some equations. All right. So it's going to be a bit higher numbers, guys. So again, if you read the equation, do it very slowly and pronounce all the numbers. Okay. So сколько будет 8 плюс 8? 8 плюс 8 будет 16. Okay. And over here we have 5 плюс 6. Who wants to answer that one? Сколько будет 5 плюс 6?
11.
Сколько? Будет 11. Хорошо.
11.
Окей. Сколько будет 10 плюс 1?
11.
11.
Do the whole equation. We're doing it
Oh,
I'm doing
okay.
to correct your pronunciation, okay? So we're doing it as a muscle exercise. So it's not math, it's about you pronouncing it very well, so your pronunciation in Russian is better. All right? So сколько будет 10 плюс 1?
10 плюс 1 будет
11.
Будет 11. So you have to pronounce the whole equation and then the answer, okay? So сколько будет 6 плюс 6?
6 плюс 6 будет
плюс 5 будет
3. 2.
12.
12.
12.
12.
12.
12. 12.
12. Okay. All right. Сколько будет 7 плюс 6?
7 плюс 6 будет
7 плюс 6 будет
13. 13.
Да, 7
13.
плюс 6 будет 13. 13. It's like
13.
13.
13.
13. Хорошо?
13.
Сколько будет
13.
12 плюс 1?
13.
Plus
13 plus
1 будет 13.
Z.
Cool. All right. Let me
Yes.
have you. How many people are participating? I see like 3 of you. Rogi, welcome to the
Thank you.
voice
Thank you
voice
so much.
exercise. All right, I'm going to make you agent number 3, okay? So Mac is agent number 1, STA is agent number 2, and Rogi, you're going to be agent number 3. So you guys gonna take turns. All right?
Sure.
So okay, Mac, okay, do you want to do the equations? You with us? How are you feeling?
Mm. I'm
Or if do you
mathing
want
is
to just
quite good.
listen? Do you want to read or you want to listen? Would you want to read? Do you want to read equations or you want to just listen to them? Okay, Mac, you're going to be listening through this exercise, okay? I'm going to let you hang out. So, Rogi and STA, let's do 1 and you're going to be like 3 and 2. 2 STA, you agent 2, Rogi is agent 3. All right, let's go back to the chart. Okay, so agent 2. How do you... сколько будет? Сколько будет 7 плюс 7?
10 plus
Do I have
7
to?
to Z.
So it's going to be STA.
Oh,
ST, you are going to be you're going to be going now, and Rogi, you're going to be agent number 3. Mac,
it.
if you want to participate, say it, okay? Because I don't know if you want to participate or not.
14.
Okay, cool. Again, STA,
7 плюс 7, 7 плюс 7 будет 14.
then do it slower, okay? Don't like don't eat the letter.
Все.
Okay.
7 плюс 7 будет 14.
Thank you. Now it's very nice. Okay, agent number 3. Сколько будет 7 плюс 8?
7 plus 8 будет 14.
15. Нет, 15. 15.
Oh, 15. Sorry. Got it.
Мгм.
Sorry.
Alright, хорошо. Agent number 2. Сколько будет 8 плюс 8?
7 plus 7.
Не-не. Сколько
7
будет
plus
8
7 plus
плюс
Z.
8?
8 плюс 8 будет 16.
8 plus 8 Z. 16.
16. Хорошо. Окей, agent 3. Сколько будет 8 плюс 9?
8 plus 9 будет
Равно 17.
17.
Nice. Сколько будет 9 плюс 9?
19.
Нет. And do the whole sentence, do the whole equation.
Вот 9 плюс 9.
Будет? Будет сколько? Сколько будет 9 плюс 9?
19.
Нет, не 19. Это будет 18.
18.
Окей. Сколько будет 9 плюс 10?
9 plus 10
15.
будет 19.
Yes, we survived through this. Good job, guys. Молодцы. All right. Now let's talk about tens. Okay. So in Russian, if you want to say 13, it's 13, which is 3 over 10. If you want to say 30, it's 3 tens. So it's 3 sat. So there's no 9 there. It's 3 sat. If you want to say 20, is 2 sat. Very easy. Now, if you want to say 31, it's 3 sat 1. If you want to say 22, is 2 sat 2. All right? And it goes for any number. How do you say 32? How do you say 32?
3
3
сад,
сат 2.
2. 2.
32. How do you say 25?
25.
25.
25. Very good. All right. Now, when it goes to 40, 40 does not have a normal name. 40 in Russian is sorok. And sorok, so it kind of sounds like sorok. And that sorok is actually a number of, it's a word for a bag in Russian. It's used to be, it's an old word for a bag. And in that bag, you could put 40 pieces of fur, okay? You know, like stuff you make a fur coat from. So in Russia, we were selling a lot of fur, and we would get these weasels, you know, those little animals in the woods, and you fit 40 of them in that bag. And back in the days, that bag was called sorok. And that's why 40 is not actual number. It's a word for that bag where you keep the fur, which is enough for one fur coat. So that's where that number came from.
That's very interesting.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Yeah, those poor weasels. So now, after you go over 40, it gets super easy. Because if you want to say 50, you literally just say 5, 10, 5, 10. Okay, let's say it together. 50.
50.
60.
60.
60.
70.
70.
80.
80. 80.
All right. Now, how do you do 51?
51.
51. So it goes 5, 10, and 1. If you ever forget how to say it, just remember it's 5, 10, 1. 51. How do you say 52?
52.
52. Very good. How do you say 62?
62.
Nice. How do you say 73?
73.
Yep. How do you 73? How do you say 85?
85.
75. Nice. Now,
85.
so 90 does not fit into that pattern. 90 is by itself, and it sounds like 9, but not 100. 90. So 100 in Russian is 100, and 90 sounds like 9, but not 100, like 9 short of 100. 90. 90. 90. 90. Very good.
90.
All right, guys. Now let's count from 1 to 100 all together. Right, let's do it. Okay, what is 0 again? You guys remember 0?
No.
No.
Ноль.
Excellent. Yes. Что
О.
это?
1,
1, конечно.
1,
1.
1,
Что это?
1,
2,
Ага.
2,
3, 4.
3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
5,
Ага.
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10. Да.
10.
10,
11.
Excellent.
11.
11,
13, 14.
13,
13,
14.
13, 14.
15.
5,
16.
13,
16,
16,
17.
17, да.
17,
17,
18.
18,
19. 20.
19,
19. Oh no.
20.
20, 20. Okay,
20,
can you say this one again?
20,
19,
19,
19, 19, 20,
не,
20,
19,
19, 19, 20,
20. Что это?
20, 90, 20,
Не-не.
90,
Не, 90 is this one.
а,
This one is 19.
19,
19, yes. And what is this one?
12,
12.
19, 19,
20.
19,
19,
Вот,
Мгм.
20.
19,
Я
Что это?
12,
12.
20.
20 درجة.
21.
Я 22.
21. Окей, что это?
22.
22. 22. 22.
22.
22.
22,
Yes.
23.
22.
sorry, ABC,
23.
23.
23,
23.
23.
23.
What is this one?
Но она
23.
говорит по-русски.
Мгм.
23.
24,
24.
23.
24,
Мгм. 24.
sorry,
That's
24.
24.
No, you have to say it in Russian because it's a Russian channel.
Но
24.
она говорит по-русски. Она русская девушка.
sorry, please don't
Oh,
speak in English, don't learning Russian.
doll.
Wait, what? I don't understand.
The Evil 3, what's your language or what's your first language?
Me?
Yeah.
My first language is English.
Cool. So you
The English.
So you try-
Your native language is English, right?
Yeah, I only know English.
Maybe?
I have some Spanish roots
Oh.
though.
Cool. So and you're trying to learn.
У тебя есть accent
Yeah.
Spanish?
I want a Belarusian boyfriend.
Серьезно?
Cool.
I want a
Cool.
Belarusian boyfriend.
Как понимать
Просто-
по-русски?
All right. So let's do this. Can you wait 20 minutes? I'm gonna finish this class, and then after this, I can help you find your Belarusian boyfriend. Okay? Let us.
I love you.
All right. So let's do the numbers really quick.
У тебя есть белорусин...
All right, guys, give me 10 more minutes. Okay? Let's do 10 more minutes, and then we're going to talk about other stuff. Okay? All right. Thank you.
До свидания, преподаватель. Спасибо большое.
All right.
Преподаватель, у тебя есть группа учить ПДЖ, я не знаю, потому что у меня экзамен после один месяц.
Yes, so with exam, Misha actually helps people with exams. So if you text Misha, you see the Misha on the side, he specifically helps you with exams. So if you want to know all the падежи, he knows this very well. So he is doing it and he can help you with your exam, okay?
Все, понятно. Тому совет...
Yeah, so reach out to him and he will help you. Now, guys, let's do the numbers. Come on, we learn it and let's go from 0 to 100. Okay, I'm gonna start over so we can all do it really quick. Okay?
Спасибо, преподаватель. До свидания.
Yes, до свидания. So, что это? Что это?
No.
1,
No.
Да. Что это?
2,
Мгм. Что это?
3,
3,
Что это?
4,
Мгм.
4,
Что это?
5,
Что это?
6,
Что это?
7,
7,
Да, что это?
8,
8,
Что это?
9,
9,
Мгм.
9,
Что это?
10,
Что это?
10,
11, 11,
11, 11,
12,
Мгм. Что это?
13,
13,
13,
Что это?
14,
14,
Что это?
15,
15,
16,
16.
16,
Что это?
17,
Что это?
18,
Что это?
18,
19.
Что это?
19,
I'm not sure how to say 20.
12,
Could you,
Двадцать.
could you explain?
20,
Не-не. 20.
20 is
20.
Actually,
20
let's go.
and 10 sounds the same almost, right?
No, this one is 12.
No. 10 and 20.
10,
13,
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is 10.
Oh, got it.
10,
Мгм.
Understood.
10,
Understood.
20,
10,
30.
20.
Actually, let's say this one all together, okay? I will tell you and you will echo it, okay? 10,
Jason,
10,
20,
10,
20,
20,
30,
30,
30,
40,
50,
50,
50,
50,
50,
60,
just
50,
70,
70,
70,
80,
80,
80,
90,
90,
90,
90,
100,
100,
Хорошо. 9,
9,
Can you say that again?
9,
9,
9,
9,
9,
19,
19,
19,
19,
19,
29,
29,
39,
39,
39,
49,
49,
49,
59,
49,
59, 79,
70,
89,
89,
89,
99.
99,
99.
Хорошо. How do you say this one?
David,
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 not
19.
19.
Okay, guys, let's Let's do this one line by line. I will tell you those, and you tell me them back. Okay, so let's echo them. All right. So first one is один,
Один.
два,
Один,
Два.
Два.
три,
три,
Три.
четыре,
Мгм.
Привет.
четыре,
четыре,
Четыре.
Пять.
шесть,
Шесть.
шесть,
Шесть.
семь,
Шесть.
семь,
Семь.
Семь.
восемь,
восемь,
Восемь.
Восемь.
девять,
девять,
Девять.
десять.
десять,
Окей.
10.
11,
11.
одиннадцать,
12.
Одиннадцать.
One more time. 12.
Двенадцать.
So, quick question: do
Yes.
you just add the ending changes, but the first stays the same?
Yeah. So if you want to say a teen, it's going to be 1/10 or 2/10. So you just do a number and then nuts it.
Ah, okay, that's much better.
Двенадцать.
All right. So 11,
11.
Одиннадцать.
12,
Одиннадцать.
12.
15,
13.
Тринадцать,
14.
14. Не-не.
4.
14.
14,
14.
14,
14.
15.
15,
15.
16.
16,
16. 17.
17,
Мгм. 18.
18.
18,
18.
19,
19.
19,
Не-не. 19.
19,
And finally, 20. And 20 is like 2 tenths. So when you create 20 is 2 tenths over here. It's 30 and 20 is like 2 tenths. 20, 30. So if you want to do 13, it's 3 not side, so it's 3/10. But if you want to do 30, it's 30. 30.
30.
Мгм.
The T is silent.
30. 30.
With
30.
the TS, the TS,
No,
is the T
it's not
silent?
silent.
So
Oh,
it's
okay.
30. Yeah, you pronounce it. Sounds like a ts sound. 30.
It's a very
20,
mild pronunciation.
20, 30.
So 30.
Мгм.
Okay.
All right. Let's do 21,
21.
22,
22,
23,
23,
24,
24.
25,
25,
26,
26.
26,
27,
27,
28,
28,
8.
29,
29,
30, 30,
30.
30.
31,
31,
31.
32,
32,
33,
33,
33.
34. Мгм.
34.
35,
35.
35,
36,
36.
37,
37,
37.
38,
38,
38.
39,
Тридцать девять.
Oh no. Oh no.
40. So 40, as I mentioned, it's not a number, it's another word. It's for it's from a third grade, so it's like a name of a bag. So 40 has nothing to do with 4. So 40.
So
40.
Correct.
40.
Really nice.
Mhm. Nice. Okay, let's do it. 41,
41,
42,
42,
42,
43,
43,
43,
44,
44,
44,
44,
45,
45,
45,
мгм, 46,
46,
46,
47,
47,
47,
48,
48,
48,
48,
49,
47,
нет, 49,
49,
да, 49, 49, хорошо. And next one is 50.
50,
So again, all these numbers after 50, they go 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10. So they follow the same sound pattern. 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, and then 8, 10, okay? And how do you do this? You pronounce it slightly different. It's going to be 50, 60, 70, 80, okay? Let's look at
Ah, okay.
50,
50,
50, 60,
60,
70,
70,
70, 80.
nice. All right, we're almost there, guys. We are going over the half, 100. So how do you go? 51, 51,
51,
51,
52,
52,
53,
53,
54,
54,
55,
55,
56,
56,
57,
57,
58, 59,
59.
59,
Now 60, 60,
60,
It's
60.
more slow, more slow,
Huh?
more slowly.
61,
Yeah.
61.
Is that
Oh,
doesn't?
do we repeat you? Do we repeat what you said?
Yeah, sorry. So I say 61, and you would tell me 61.
Oh, 61.
61,
Mhm. 62,
62,
63,
63,
64,
64,
65,
65,
66,
66,
67,
67,
68,
68,
мгм, 69,
69,
and finally 70.
70, 70, 70, 71, 72,
73,
Ага. 73,
73,
73, 73,
74,
74,
70,
70,
75,
75,
75,
76,
76,
77,
77,
78,
78,
79,
79,
79,
80.
80,
80,
Nice. Окей. 81,
81,
82,
82,
83,
83,
84,
84,
85,
85,
86,
87,
ага, 87,
87,
мгм, 88,
88,
89,
89,
90. 90 has no similar
90,
number, so it's like 90, 90.
90, 100,
Mhm. Nice. Okay, the last line, guys. 91,
91,
92,
92,
93,
93,
94,
94,
95,
95,
96,
96, 97,
98,
98,
99,
99,
100.
100,
100. Now, how do you say 101?
101,
101. How do you say 102?
102,
102. How do you say 103?
103,
Да. How do you say 104?
104,
How do you say 105?
105,
5.
105.
How do you say 106?
106,
106. Да. 107.
107,
Mm-hmm. 108.
108,
109.
109,
109 and 110.
110,
110. 111.
111,
Да, 111. 111.
111, 1,
Мгм. Нет, 111. 111. 111.
111,
Yes. 112. 112.
112,
112,
112.
112,
112. 113. 113. 113.
113,
113,
Мгм. 114. 114.
114,
114,
114,
115. 115.
115,
115,
116. 116.
116,
117. 117.
117.
17.
Мгм. 118. 118.
118.
119. 119.
119.
And 120. 120.
120.
Okay. How do you say 122?
122.
122.
122.
122.
122. Okay, what about 133?
113.
113.
133.
Oh, say it again.
113.
Нет, no, there's no 13 in there. 13 is 13.
Oh.
133.
Oh.
133. 133.
Oh,
133.
133.
Uh-huh. How do you say 144?
144.
No, no, it's 40. 144.
Oh. 144.
144.
Oh my gosh.
Got it. It's pretty confusing.
What about 155?
155.
155. 155. This one is 166.
166.
Yeah. 177.
177.
177.
Got it.
188.
188.
И 199.
199.
Cool. All right, guys. Now, let's do a quick test. We're going to do a last test for this class. And this test is an audio test. And you will have a mathematical equations in Russian. All right, they're not going to be hard. They will have 4 separate sections. All right. And this is just for you. I'm not going to see your answers. So the first part is super easy. It's like 1 + 1 = 2. Second part will be like 8 + 6 will be 14. This will be 20 plus, I think it's like 1 + 10 will be 11. And this one would be like high numbers, like 40 + 60 will be 100. So let's take this test and you tell me which part was easy for you and which one was hard. The squares identified numbers, and for this test you will need a piece of paper and a pen, okay? And I'm going to do a recording for you, and you listen to the recording, at least for the first part, and if you solve all the problems. And it goes like 1 + 1 будет 2. So 1 + 1 will be 2. You guys wanna do it? How many people are left? Did you guys all run away?
I wanna do it.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right, let's do it. So
Let's
are
do
you
it.
from my phone, okay? Because I don't have it on in my presentation, but I'm going to get it right now. I usually do it for my students in a class when we do have like in-person tests, so I can actually see what they have written. But you guys are lucky you don't. I cannot see what you have written. So get a piece of paper and a pen, all right? And you will hear something like this. Here you go. 1 + 2 будет 3. Actually, I'm going to get a better recording from my computer. So, but that's what to expect. Let me see if I have it somewhere on my laptop. Сейчас. So I'm going to get you a better recording. I dropped my phone in oil, and now it doesn't work very well. Hold on. Let me just send it to my computer, and I'm gonna give you this recording. While you're waiting for that, listen to the go over your numbers so you remember what they are. Сейчас. Секундочку, 1 sec. I'm gonna just do it really quick.
Misha. Misha is here.
I'm here.
Hello, my friend.
All right, guys, I uploaded the audios. So if you want, it's going to, hold on, where is 1 плюс 2 будет 3. Okay. All right, are you guys ready to start writing it?
Are we supposed to write it in
How can
English?
No, it's you write it with numbers.
Oh, like English numbers.
1 I don't know what you use. 2
No, never mind.
Okay. How can we find the
I mean,
uploading video?
You can do it with Arabic numbers or Chinese numbers if you want to, but I think
Oh,
so.
okay.
Using the same numbers, right?
Got it. Sorry about my question.
Yeah. Okay, so it's going to be like 1 плюс 2 будет 3. I think that's what's the first one. So you write it like this on a piece of paper. Huh?
I'll practice it.
All right.
I'll practice it for this listening.
Say what?
لا تقول.
All right, you guys ready?
So how can from
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's start this test, guys. I'm going to do first part and then we're going to do second, which is going to be harder. 1 плюс 2 будет 3. 2 плюс 2 будет 4. 3 плюс 4 будет 7. 3 плюс 2 будет 5. 7 минус 1 будет 6. 4 плюс 4 будет 8. 5 плюс 2 плюс 1 будет 8. 4 плюс 3 плюс 2 будет 9.
Привет.
All right. So if you look at the chat, you will see what are the answers. Did you guys get the same answers?
Yes.
Yep. I did.
Nice. Okay, you guys ready for a 1 step up?
Not all, because
Yeah.
I like was trying
Let's
to listen and
go.
I wasn't catching all of the numbers.
That makes also for the first time, that's great. If you get like at least half of them, that's perfect. And also there's new thing. Minus in Russian is minus. It kind of sounds like this. Minus. Minus. It's minus. That's what you guys have been hearing too. So there's plus, plus, and minus, minus. Now let's do this.
Plus, minus.
Plus, minus.
Minus.
No, plus, minus.
Плюс. Минус.
Plus, minus.
Плюс минус.
Minus.
Хорошо. Now let's do
Minus.
next one. You guys ready for that one?
Yeah.
Which number is this?
Okay, so I think, so how many equations? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's number 8. So that's the long one which ended with 9. So the number 10 is also going to be a long one. It's going to be 3 numbers. Minus. So yeah, you will start at number 10. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yay.
3 плюс
Блин, hold on. I don't know how to use my music.
3 плюс 3 плюс 4 будет 10.
О,
5 плюс 2 плюс 3
3,
будет 10.
10,
6 плюс
6,
5 будет
5,
11.
11,
11 минус
11,
8
11,
будет 3.
о,
11 минус 5 будет 6. 6 плюс 2
6,
плюс 4 будет 12. 3
12,
плюс 5 плюс 6 будет 14.
14,
14 минус 7 минус 1 будет 6.
6.
7 плюс 3 плюс 3 будет 13.
All right. Do you guys want to listen to it one more time? Or you
See, yes.
Let's do one more time. And also, can you turn off your mics because I can hear you breathing and being like, "Oh my God, I know the equations are hard." So turn off your mics so you don't like talk
Yeah.
under your breath, and I can hear it in the
I
chat.
know.
And I was like, "No, I know it's so hard." Uh-huh.
Yeah, I know you are very hard. You are very hard.
All right, guys, turn off your mics for this one. Just turn them off, and I'm gonna do this part 2 second time, and then you can look at the answers in
Okay.
the chat. Okay? All right.
I hope it's second time. Yeah.
All right. Turn off your mic. Turn off your mic.
Okay.
All right. Second time, and let's go.
3 плюс 3 плюс 4 будет 10. 5 плюс 2 плюс 3
Yeah.
будет 10.
Yes.
6 плюс 5 будет 11. 11 минус 8 будет 3. 11 минус 5 будет 6. 6 плюс 2 плюс 4 будет 12. 3 плюс 5 плюс 6 будет 14. 14 минус 7 минус 1 будет 6. 7 плюс 3 плюс 3 будет 13.
All right. Now look at the answers. See how many did you get. Now you can turn on your mic so I can hear you. Now you can start complaining about math.
No,
I'm
I got all of
correct.
them right.
Me too. Me too.
Yay.
Let's go.
Awesome. Yes. Very good. Okay, so now question for you guys. Do you want to leave on a positive note and just be like, yay, or you want some hard math?
Some hard.
math.
Hard math.
Okay, so this one is going to be based on teens. So the next exercise, would be like 1, it's a second column, and it's going to be like 10 plus, it would be like 11 плюс 11 будет 22, stuff like that, okay? Just remember, if it's a number like 11, 12, don't let it throw you off. It's only teens. It's okay, you know? So if it's 11, if you hear that, that is a teen.
What about
11.
46? How did you say 46?
46.
40.
46. Yeah, 46 it would be 46. So if you hear like two numbers next to each other, it is probably a regular number, like 46. If you hear tsat, like 11, that is probably 18. And it usually throws people off. Like, for example, 15 will be 15, you know,
That's it.
15. So good luck. I'm hoping you guys can do it. And again, I'm going to make it in a slow mode, and I'm going to repeat it twice.
Is
And
it
you
going to be
will-
1 through 8?
I think so. It's going to be 1 through 8. Yeah, so it's going to be first 6 going to be just 2 numbers, and 7, 8 is going to be 3 numbers. So good luck, guys, and I will see you on the other side.
10 плюс 10 будет 20. 11 плюс 11 будет 22. 10 плюс 11 будет 21. 11 плюс 1 будет 12. 12 плюс 12 будет 24. 10 плюс 3 будет 13. 13 плюс 13 плюс плюс 12 плюс 13 будет 35.
Okay, now I'm gonna give you an easy one. Sorry, I'm gonna give you a slow one because this one was kind of fast, and I'm going to start writing answers while I'm doing it. All right. So if it seemed fast, that's why it seemed fast, because I was recording it at the regular speed. Okay, so now it's a slower version of the same test. Let's do it. It's gonna go over.
10 плюс 10 будет 20. 11 плюс 11 будет 22. 10 плюс 11 будет 21. 11 плюс 1 будет 12. 12 плюс 12 будет 24. 10 плюс 3 будет 13. 13 плюс 13 плюс 13 будет 39. 10 плюс 12 плюс 13 будет 35.
Okay, so I have it like all over the place. Sorry. So, can you tell me what was your first equation? What did you guys get?
I got 10 plus 10 equals 20.
10.
I think
Yeah,
that's what
same.
the 10 плюс 10 будет 20, right? What was the
Yeah.
next one after that?
11 plus 11 equals 22.
Ага, окей. 11 плюс 11 будет 22. Окей.
22.
What was number 3?
10
10.
plus 11 equals 21.
See, yes, that's what I got too.
Okay, all right. What was next one?
11 plus 1 equals 12. I think you
Uh-huh.
wrote that. It's in the chat.
Yep, okay. And then 12 plus 12 is 24, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. And 10 plus 3
Yeah.
is 13.
Yes.
Right.
And then 13 plus 13 plus 13 is 39.
Oh, I got 13 plus 13 plus 12 equals 30. Okay.
Okay, okay. And 10 plus 12 plus 13 equals 35.
Yeah, I didn't get that.
I was
It was too
10
fast
plus
for me.
12 plus 12, 24. I mean 34. So I was just one off.
Close. And okay, cool. All right, good job, guys. Wow, you were better than you did better than I thought, especially with so little of practice. Very awesome.
Yay.
Okay, that's pretty much it for the numbers class. Let me wait to you, and I will see you next class. And by the way, after this class, there's going to be another one where I think you do text and translation. So if you want to jump from one class to another one, go ahead and do that. And I will see you next week. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.